Okay, guys. This is the first part of the two or three tutorials, depending on the length, that I'll be making about what we saw in class last week. I'll be repeating the process of creating a cup, and for that we just get started. Okay. So the first thing is on the polygons tab, I'm going to select the cylinder. I can either do that or go to the Create menu, Polygon Primitives, and select Cylinder. Then I drag and drop over the screen to draw the base. Then I click over the screen and then drag the mouse to select the height. I'm going to select all these fields, the translation fields, and type 0 in them. Here on inputs, I'm going to select polycylinder, and I'm going to modify the values from that I used to create this cylinder. So the radius will be 5, the height will be 10, and for now I'm going to leave the rest of the values as they are. I'm just going to bring this up 5 units and translate Y so it relies over the ground. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press F8 to go into object component mode. Right mouse button and select the faces. I'm gonna make a selection here of all the faces, and I will also be selecting the faces on at the bottom of the cup. So I don't want these faces selected, just the ones at the bottom. So I'm going to press Control key. I'm gonna drag a selection mark here to unselect the faces at the bottom. So now only the faces at the top remain selected. After that, I'm going to edit mesh, face, extrude, option box. I'm going to reset the settings. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to scale down by clicking on any of the cubes. I'm going to scale down these faces, making sure that I have the right width for my cup. And then I'm going to hit apply again. And instead of the scale, this time I'll be selecting the Z axis, and I will be bringing it down. I'm going to press number 4 on the keyboard so I can continue bringing down my extrusion to a point where I'm satisfied with the width of the bottom. Okay. And I'm just going to click outside of it, and I'm going to select close here. Press 5 on the keyboard so I can go into shade mode, and press F8 to go back into object mode. Okay, so that's it. Up to now, I only have a cylinder. On the next tutorial, I'll be creating the handle for the cup.